Hello fellow Simagicians, I'm Alvin and welcome to another episode of the You Ask We Answer series. This is a series where we go through your questions that you have for us on social media platforms. So without any further ado, let's get into the questions right now. So the first question is from @namiyata3 and she's asking, will you ever create preset profiles for these haptics like you guys did for the alpha wheelbases? So it's worth noting that the profile sharing feature is not only just available for your wheelbases, but also available for other devices for your SimPro, such as your steering wheel and your pedals. And of course, the same goes for your haptic motors. So yeah, we can also do that. So here's another question from Just Another Menace, commented under our HPR guide video asking, can you add a activate when pedal is pressed feature that's similar to SimHub? Yep, that seems like a very reasonable suggestion. So yes, that would be something that we'll add onto our objectives list. So please stay tuned to our future software updates. So this next one is from Theory Racing 2290. Sorry if I butchered your name there. And he's asking that under the HPR Neo video, and he's asking, if I have a P2000, do you need a new control box to do this assembly? So a short answer to that would be yes, you will need the control box on the P2000 in order for you to use the PHPR and the PHPR Neo. And there are two different types of the control box on the P2000. For the newer versions of the P2000s, you have the control box with the power socket included. So if you have that version of the control box, you don't need to make a separate purchase and you can install the PHPR and PHPR Neo and you can just plug it in and use it straight away. But if you have the old control box on the P2000, which doesn't have the power socket, you will need to make a separate purchase in order for you to use the PHPR and the PHPR Neo on the P2000s. So this next question is fairly common on our recent posts, and they are basically all asking what happened to the release of the new steering wheels and the pedals, referring to our new hub and pedal. So these are the products in question. We have the P500 pedals and also the Neo X hub. Now, you can also find them in the upcoming ADAC Sim Racing Expo, which we will also be there showing these two products, along with many new upcoming products. So if you do happen to miss them during the GameCon, you will be able to find them and many other new products over there. And they will also be available very shortly afterwards. So you know the drill. Stay tuned to our social media. So this final question of today is from Shushma Frinsha. Sorry if I butchered your name there. And she's asking, I'm sick of being a millionaire. What should I do with my money? Well, why not give sim racing a try? We just so happens to be a sim racing product company that makes products for sim racing enthusiasts. So pluck pluck, make sure to check us out. So that's all the questions for today. If you have any of the questions that you want to ask us, feel free to drop down in the comment section below. And don't forget to follow us on various social media platforms if you haven't already. But until then, we'll see you in our next video. Keep racing, Simagicians.